Hello guys, welcome to the next video. In this video, we are going to learn how to create multiple windows in Tkinder. Let me take this example. Here there is only one window which is nothing but a default Tkinder window which we get after running the code uh, using tk function. At the right side, here you can see the two windows. One is the default window and the other window is created by the user or the created by the creator. Here, if you use this top level keyword, you can create this multi-level windows. Let me do this using Python. Now this is the default code. Let me show the default window how it looks like. Here you can see this is the default window. You can see this is the default window. If I want to add another window on this page, above this page, when I click some buttons, the second window will open, like quiz. In the application of quiz, when I click some answer and I when I check it, it gives a tick mark on the next page, right? In this application, this window can be used. That means multi-level windows can be used. In order to do this, we should use the top level here. Then, then that's it. If you use this top level, you can make a next window. That means a second window. Now let's run this code. Yeah, you can see here two windows. You can see. Uh, Let me see that. Here you can see the two windows. Now let me create some button and let me check it. Now I'm creating a button here and I am giving a root for it and naming the button as click. Okay, I'm just giving a background color as green. Now I am packing this button into the root, that means a default window. Now let me create a command for it to do the action. I'm just naming the command as call and just creating a function to do the action. Now here I'm going to create a next window, that means a top level. Okay, this is the code. Now let me run this. Here you can see when I click this, a new window opens here at the left side. When I click this, a new window opens here at the left side. Now let me give some label to the second window as uh, here instead of root you should give the second window root, which is nothing but t. You should give the t here. Here I have given root because the default window root is like root, and the that means second window is created using this top level. So I am giving this t as the master variable. Now I am just giving some text to it. That means as window 2, I'm just packing it inside the top level. That means a second window. Yeah, here you can, when I click this, a second window opens. Okay, second window opens and shows the some content, but here I'm wrote wrongly, so I'm just not getting a label in the second window. Now let me try this and yeah, when I click this, a second window opens and shows the label window 2. When I click this, second window opens and shows the label window 2. Now in order to make here you can see here the two windows having separate positions, that mean x position and y position. They are not parallel, they are somewhat like this. In order to keep this, in order to open two windows at a same action, that mean at parallelly, in order to work like parallelly of the windows, working parallel of the windows can be done by giving the geometry. Now let me give some geometry here. Root dot geometry of, I'm just giving 200 cross 200, and I'm giving, I'm said before, right, that mean the two windows are not in parallel, they are like somewhat displaced manner. In order to make these two windows work in a parallel manner, you should give the fix the x position and y position. I'm just fixing the x position as 120 and y position as 120. The same should be used for the that mean the second window, that is top level. Just give it as and change this root as t. Okay, now let me run this. Here when I click this, the second window opens parallelly. When I click this, the second window opens parallelly. Now now let me do another action which destroys the second window whenever I click some button. Let me name the button as destroy. I'm just giving the root, which is nothing but a top level. We want to fix this button in top level, right? So I'm giving t variable here in order to pack this button inside the top level. That means in second window, I'm just giving text as destroy and command as top t dot destroy. T dot destroy. Okay, I'm just packing it into the second window. That's it, guys. Now let me run this code. Now whenever I click this button, a second window opens. Here there is a destroy button. Whenever I click this button, the second window destroys. Second window destroys. This is the how you can create a multiple windows in Tkinder. One life, be happy. Stay tuned for the next video.